Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to make some amazing sorrel drink. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. So first, what we're going to do, we're going to start off by grate our ginger. Now what you can do, you can always go ahead and crush your ginger if you want, or you can just simply go ahead and blend it. Now blending will take less time, but I opt to grate my ginger. It's up to you what you want to do, and it's also if you have enough time. So I had just enough time to grate my ginger and I decided to do it just like this. For today's recipe, we will be using the dried sorrel. However, if you have the sorrel tree at home, if you can get the sorrel at the supermarket, it is the same procedure that you're gonna follow here. So this is the ginger once it's nicely grated, and this is the dried sorrel. So what you want to do, you always want to ensure that you rinse off your sorrel nicely under some cold running water before you go ahead and add it to the pot. Sometimes you will find that dirt is on the sorrel. You'll find like a little bit of sand, so you want to make sure that you get rid of anything that you know not supposed to be in the sorrel. All right, and the reason we wash nicely. So now what we're gonna do, it's time to go ahead and draw our sorrel. So I'm gonna add back the sorrel to a large pot. And again, I'm using the dried sorrel that I bought in a local supermarket here in Jamaica. And once I add back the sorrel to the pot, I will then go in and add the grated ginger. Again, you can always go ahead and add the blended ginger, or you can just use the ginger extract. I also added some cinnamon sticks, and the cinnamon sticks is optional. You can also add bay leaves. Some persons, add a little bit of allspice to this. If you don't want to add all of that, make sure that you add the ginger. Then I just use my hand to combine everything well. You can always go ahead and use a spoon if you want. Then I'm going to add the hot water all over it and cover it and leave it overnight to steep. Now it's Christmas time all around the world, and yes, sorrel is a must here in Jamaica. You have to have sorrel. So it's the next day. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and strain our sorrel. And yes, you want your sorrel to be strong. You don't want it to be too watery and thin. You want to make sure that it has some thick consistency. So once we strain our sorrel, we're gonna go ahead and add some brown sugar, and basically we're finished. So once we add the brown sugar, we're gonna go in and add some rum. You don't have to add rum. Some persons don't add rum. And what we're gonna do next is just combine everything well, and then we're gonna serve it up ice cold, or you can just have it as it is. So I hope you guys enjoy today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think about this amazing sorrel recipe. Remember to share with your families and your friends, and have them subscribe to Callie J's Kitchen. I can't wait to see you on Monday. I have another amazing recipe to share with you and your family.